Welcome to the Craftessa everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY video, we're going to create this floral wooden tea light holder. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, where I post super quick and easy DIYs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's project. So for this project, I'm going to take this wooden plank from the Dollar Tree, along with these wooden bamboo circles. You could find those in the Crafter Square section of the Dollar Tree. There where all the wood pieces are, and they come two to a package. So there are two bamboo rings, one smaller than the other. Then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take some brown acrylic paint and mix it with water to give the wood sort of a wash. I don't want to use any of the wood stain because actually I don't have any on hand. So I'm going to do the next best thing, which is to mix some of this brown paint with water. And I'm going to use it both on the wooden plank and on the bamboo rings. So let's continue with this. So now that I stained all of the pieces, I'm going to use some of the, I guess, the Jenga blocks or the wooden blocks from the game. These are also from the Dollar Tree. I bought these in the brown color. They already came that way. Sometimes they come mixed in a box. And I'm going to put them on the bottom of the wooden plank in order to give it some feet and a little bit of height. I'm going to use some E6000 glue and hot glue in order to attach them. The reason I'm using both is because the hot glue will hold the little piece onto the wood while the E6000 glue cures. So let's finish this part. So the next step for this project, I'm going to attach both of the bamboo rings on top of the wooden slat, and I'm going to use the same thing, E6000 and hot glue. Now I'm going to be adding the Tealight holders, so I'm just putting them here for now so I can measure it this way. This way I don't have to attach them and then the circle is not centered properly. So I'm going to add a dab of the E6000 glue along with the hot glue, and I'm going to attach both of the rings onto the wooden slat. So let's continue. The smaller circle I'm going to attach right in the center of the larger circle, again using the same E6000 and hot glue. So now I'm going to attach the Tealight holders to this piece. I'm using E6000 and the hot glue for this entire project. I'm going to take one of the Tealight holders and put it in the center of the smaller bamboo ring, and then I'm going to hot glue one on each side of the circles. So let's continue. So now this piece is basically done. The final thing I did was I'm attaching some baby's breath from the Dollar Tree. I forgot to videotape that part, but as you can see, I just put one little piece on the top of the circle, and this is ready to display. I really love the way that this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.